Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve. There is a problem with this website's security certificate. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Firstly, press Windows key plus R. Now here type det.cpl. Then click on OK. Now here correct time and date. So change date and time and correct it. If you see something different, also change this internet time. So click on change settings and select here any server, or you can try another server if you are using another one. Then update now, and also you can try to change time zone. So select correct time zone. So you can try these three settings, and once you complete, exit and start your system. And if restart available, so restart your system. See, update is available, so update your system. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.